S24 series phone reservations are live. Yes, the Unpacked event officially announced January 17th. Be there, be square. But right now, if you want, you can reserve your pre-order. Link down in the description. All you have to do is put in your first name, your last name, and your email, and you can save up to additional $50 extra whenever you buy your phone. If you decide to pre-order one once they come out, you can use it towards extra gifts or accessories and things like that. To my knowledge, I don't think you can use it towards the phone, but we'll see what happens. Based off of what I was reading, it looks like if you do the reserve your pre-order, that whenever you reserve it, you've done it before, you do your pre-order, there are always extra things you can get, like a watch, earbuds, cases, battery, charging packs, all that stuff. You can use the free $50 towards that, so you get an additional savings. So, what do we know? S24 Ultra, S24, S24 Plus, the successors to this guy right here, the S23 Ultra, going to be announced at the Unpacked event, and it looks like it's going to be in San Jose, California this time, January 17th, just 2 days before my birthday. So if one of y'all wants to buy me one for my birthday, I won't be opposed, right? I doubt Samsung is sending me one. If they do, great. That'll be cool. Hopefully, I may attend the event. I'm not sure. I haven't got an invitation yet. If I do, I went last year. It was pretty cool being able to be there, see stuff, be on the ground floor, have a look at them in person the day they came out. But as you guys and gals know, I cover Samsung stuff here very extensively. I'm a big fan of what Samsung does. I'm looking forward to see what their take is on the AI. I want to see how meaningful it is. What kind of on-device generation AI stuff are we going to get? Will you be able to make photos? Can you make videos? Who knows? But Samsung is doubling down on the AI, and that's one of the biggest things you're going to get. So the S23 series gave us the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2. The S24 series is going to give us the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, which is supposed to be much more powerful and capable in processing AI tasks. So it'll be interesting to see what Samsung does with it. We've seen what Google does. We've seen what they've done with the Tensor G2 and the Tensor G3. Now it's time for Samsung to shine. And of course, they've already been doing a lot of branding, a lot of labeling, Samsung AI phone, all that crazy stuff. So we'll see what happens. And we'll find out in just 2 short weeks. I mean, we're already here at the beginning of the year. Christmas is over. I know you already went out and you bought an S23, but, well, time to get rid of it and buy the S24, right? Not for most folks, I don't think. I think the S23 is probably a very good phone to hang on to. Probably don't need to go ahead and turn it in a month or two after you just traded it in, or your last phone to buy yet, right? Well, S24, it will be the standard bearer for the beginning of 2024. And if we look at a lot of the awards, and I know that my fan favorite for the best phone of the year for 2023 was the S23 Ultra. So Samsung does a lot of great things. And of course, there's the S Pen, talking about more enhancements with the zoom, more enhancements with the camera, more AI, more powerful, capable chipset, brighter screens, all those great things. So everything that you know and love in the S23 series, well, taken up a notch with the S24. So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here dabbling on, drolling on, talking as I'm apt to do sometimes. But I want to let you know, if you're interested, you can go ahead and reserve your pre-order now. Got a link in the description. Go there, click on it. Again, all you have to do is put in your first name, last name, email. That's it. And then you get the free $50 credit once the phone comes out, so you can get some additional things if you want to spice things up, right? So that's all I've got. If you have any questions or comments, please go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. If you're interested in buying one, if you were on the fence, if you waited, you passed up the S23, you waited for the S24, I commend you. That's a lot of willpower. But let me know, are you interested in buying one? Are you thinking about picking one up? And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when videos come out, which is every single day. Yep, I talk a lot. If you like to listen to me talk, you're in the right place. As always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.